we will show you how to surprise your customer using Merrychef E1s to make 90-second recipes. The Merrychef E1s uses combination of 3 cooking technologies: impingement, convection and microwave to regenerate or cook food faster. Let's start with pasta. The cheese has melted and it's perfect. Time for quesadilla. Wow, what a color! Now let's reheat a kati roll. It's come out piping hot. An icon-based touchscreen menu, the oven can be operated by semi-skilled staff, and it saves 1024 recipes with its original picture. The pizza has perfectly melted cheese and evenly cooked base. Even as you reduce multiple equipment from your kitchen such as salamander, griddle, toaster, microwave and a convection oven. The stuffed kulcha is hot from inside. Standardized recipes across multiple outlets using front-located USB slot. Merrychef E1s has a compact footprint of 16 inches and a cavity of 12 inches. Equipped with a catalytic converter, the Merrychef is a ventless oven, so it can be used for the front of the house cooking application. E1s is a single-phase 3 kW machine and can cook or regenerate from chilled. The Merrychef has a cavity with rounded edges for cleaning and front-facing air filter. Reduce serving time to serve more customers for business growth. Better customer experience, trendy and easy to use. And less space and lesser utility cost equal to reduced operating cost. Recipe standardization across multiple outlets. Hence, trust the Merrychef E1s to wow your customer.